Hello everybody, it's me, Barry B. Benson, back again with another video. Alright, cut the chills, boys. I'm mad. So, I was riding around. I was getting ready to make my next video. I was going to do it up there on the soccer field, because, yeah. Also, it's 3 a.m., obviously. So, hold on, let me just hop over these trees. And I was just riding, and you all, look at this. I totaled my car. You see, I flew down here, and turned and hit right into the tree. Luckily, I'm all right. I think I might have a couple, what's it called? Oh my gosh, I'm already forgetting stuff. I might have a concussion and like a shattered, broken, like, funny bone or something. But I'll be good. I can't believe I did this. Yeah. But anyways, that's really all I had to say for this video. I guess I'm not gonna upload my originally planned video because to go around up at the soccer field, because like I just don't feel like it now because car got totaled and stuff. Like, I just want to go home, get this towed, everything. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh my gosh, guys, look! It's the black siren head. Alright. Crap. This is like the second most powerful siren head type, other than multi-head. What are you doing here? Here. Oh God, he's talking. For what reason? To kill you. Why? Because it's fun. Oh no, he's switching voices. If you don't know, siren heads can change what voice they're doing. But why? Because I was sent here to do this by Costume Man. Hey, don't mimic me. No mimicking. Okay, so you were sent here by Costume Man and Red Siren Head, I'm guessing? Because Red Siren Head's who started this all. Yes. Alright then. And I'll just beat you up just like how I did the Costume Man. Well, actually, he beat me up, but you know what I mean. Where did he go? Alright, guys, we need to walk around. If you don't know, this guy can teleport. So, we need to make sure that he hasn't teleported anywhere crazy. This is kind of cute. Well, never mind. I guess I am making a video today. Just not up there like how I planned to. Also, where did this guy go? I'm gonna need to make this quick and deal with this guy fast because I really need to go to the bathroom. And you might be thinking, just pee in the lake, but I need to poop. I probably shouldn't be saying this. YouTube might think of some dumb way to strike me for talking about this kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Because that's the quality of YouTube nowadays. But hey, if that happens, I might get some exposure. And that's always, ow, crap, that's always nice. Alright, let's go check over here. Feeling he's gonna be down here. Shoot. Oh shoot! Oh no! Now my shoes are ruined. It's like quicksand. Yes. Made it through the quicksand fields. Alright. Throw it. Guys, there he is. Oh my God. He's gonna be gone by now. Great! What the heck? I thought this was the part where, like, I take an unreasonable amount of time to get over to you, and then I'm confused on how you're gone and act like you couldn't just have walked away. Let's go. Oh, crap. No, he teleported. Sorry, guys. I covered up the screen. I was trying to get him, but he teleported. Shoot. I am here to end you. There he is. He fell over. There's my chance. I will end you if it's the last thing that I do. He's yelling at me. Guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Comment down below what I should do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.